Everybody, I thought I would give you an update on my aeroponics and growing, and I want to show you just a couple of days into it. Okay, so if you watch my first video on this aeroponics, I explain to you how it works and what it is. So I'm not really so familiar with the whole process, but part of it is done by the Kirky, and that's with a K, Cracky method. And this man designed this way of growing vegetables in water. And what happens is you have to leave a little bit of the air between the plant, air, and then water. And then the roots go down into the water, and they start to grow. And they found out that they grow really good, very quickly, and they grow more vibrant than the regular growing. So I'm going to show you what I did. And I'm doing two different methods. I'm doing the soil and the cracky method. This is my celery. And all I did was cut it like this, put it in water, and it starts to reshoot. Okay? So it was getting really big, but I had a lot of these. And I'm going to continue to grow it outside in this when the weather gets warmer. But I did put it in some soil. And in this mixture is Pedialyte and topsoil, and planting soil so it's soft. Now in the back, I want to show you how well my plants are doing. This is bok choy. Now I just sprayed them, and I have a mixture here of this. I'll show it to you. What I found out is that this company called Fox Farms, they make liquid fertilizer. They make different kinds. They make Tiger Bloom. They make Big, Grow Big, and this is for aquaponics. And there's another one that I have too. Right now, I'm not going to get it out. So I mix a little bit of this, like a teaspoon, in water. In my water. Okay? And then I have a spray bottle. And I take that, the liquid, and I spray daily, once a day. I spray my top of my plants. As I've been doing this, I noticed that the plants are they're doing much better. Okay? So that's that technique. So, all right, so we're back to the celery. The celery is doing fantastic. And I'm watering it with that fertilizer. This is the bok choy. In the back is the bok choy. And as you can see, it's growing beautiful. I did put it in the soil. These onions, I am amazed. I am amazed. Look at this onion. Let me move it because I don't want it to bend. I think I have to replant this one because it's just so tremendous. And it's really shooting out. These, right here, is my microgreens. As you can see, they're doing beautifully. Since I've been spraying them, I think they're getting more nutrients. And they look beautiful. Plus, I sing to them. I talk to them. This is cantaloupe. And last year, we have a farm here and that I go to. And last year, we bought some cantaloupe. The cantaloupe was so delicious that I took the seeds out of it and I saved them. I dried them out. And I just decided, all right, let me try it. But they're seeding. So that's a good thing. Okay? These are some carrots that I'm doing right now. I'm just got them in a little bit of water. Actually, they need more water because I want to root them. And then, of course, I've got my little Meshkina shallot here. I'm waiting for it to root, and it is starting to root. So, okay. Now, the other day I gave you a recipe for scuttle. No, I didn't post it yet. But this is for the escarole. And I wanted to try out. I said I was going to try it out and see if it works. So, as you can see, escarole is, you can regrow it. All right, so I'm going to keep my fingers crossed on that. This is Swiss chard. Here's my Swiss chard, and it's looking beautiful. It's sprouting. And then I have another thing of celery again. So, okay, we're going to move these over. Then on this level here, I have my basil. This is my Genovese basil. And I love this basil because it gives you beautiful, big plants. All right. Now I'm going to put my Swiss chard back. And I've got them growing under a LED light. This, I put it in dirt because I needed room. These are my microgreens. So the microgreens are getting sprayed every day with the fertilizer, with the Big Grow, and they look beautiful. And plus, I sing to them, I talk to them. These are my scallions. And some are garlic. So they're going to get ready for planting. But the weather is still cold outside. But garlic takes 6 months to grow. And the back are the green onions. This here this is my broccoli. So the broccoli is growing, except for this pod right here. So I put 2 seeds in yesterday or the day before yesterday. Okay. And when you use a grow light, keep the plant very close to the light. Like I have it here. Here's light. Here, this way it doesn't stretch and it doesn't get long. They call it legging. These are my microgreens. Again, they're growing beautifully. And then I'm so proud of this plant. This is my microgreens. And they are growing beautifully. And then this little guy here was growing on the bottom of the bowl. So I took it out and I put it back into here. And it seems like it's gonna do it. But the leaves are beautiful. They look a little like a little pale green. So they may need some next step for the fertilizer. But I just wanted to give you guys, I wanted to let you see, what's happening in my plant world. And, we all have to learn this. If we want to eat, you have to grow food. So this is a good thing. We have to learn different things to keep us alive. All right, in here, I got more basil. Now I just put it in, but it's starting to come up. So, and I put that in on the 11th. All right. So guys, keep on doing what you have to do to keep your family healthy. And we have to learn what our grandparents learned. And I kind of want to give my grandparents a yay, because if they didn't do what they did to survive, they grew up in the Great Depression, I would not be here, right? So they didn't give up. They learned other techniques and things to do to live. All right, guys, I'm sending everybody good wishes and lots of positive energy, and we can all do this. We're all in this together. So united we stand, divided we fall. Everybody, if you have any tips or any other